You have got to be kidding me. You're going to love this one. So a couple of months ago, I get a call from a general manager who states he needs help badly in his sales department. Sales are off, profits are off, his salespeople are not following the steps, they're not doing demonstration drives properly, no service walks, and the managers are not enforcing anything, and they need some leadership training. So he decides to sign up for our 2-day in-dealership promotional event. Now, prior to that event, the trainer called the dealership and spoke with the general manager just to go over all the details of the training. And one of the things that we really enforce is the fact that management and leadership have to be part of this training. It reinforces everything. It lets them hear what we're training, and it shows the rest of the team that they support the training that's going on. So here's what happens. The trainer shows up the morning of the training, and the general manager has decided to take those 2 days off. When he approached the general sales manager, he said, I'm here for the training. He said, okay, I'll get some salespeople together for training. He told him that we need the managers to participate as well. And he said, oh no, I don't have time for my managers to participate. They're too busy doing other things. And then the GSM disappeared for the next 2 days. Was nowhere to be seen. So my trainer did his job. He trained the salespeople. And let me tell you what the trainer heard over and over and over again. These are great ideas. We love them, but they'll never be implemented because our managers are not in the room. Why would you train your people? Why would you invest in your people and not have leadership there to support what you're doing? My bet is this was a waste of 2 days. Nothing changed, nothing happened, nothing increased. All you did was frustrate everybody. And I got a great analogy. It was like taking your kids out trick-or-treating for Halloween. And then when they got back at the end of the evening, you took the candy away from them and said, you can't eat it, it's not good for you. That's what they did. They trained everybody, and then they said, but we're not going to implement everything. And we wonder why we're not making more money in our dealerships. Good luck, everyone.